Hey YouTube, quick update on the BMW Digital Key. I'm standing here with my 2023 m340i, and thanks to Oliver Liorano from my channel for pointing out that I was using the BMW Digital Key all wrong. So let's take a quick look. All right. So have my phone. Apparently the right spot to do this, unlike what the BMW Genius told me, is here. So that works fairly well. You can unlock the car with the phone in the middle of the door handle, and then it locks pretty much right away. And as you can see, the mirrors do fold now that I've correctly associated my profile with the right setting in the menu in iDrive. So thanks very much for educating me on how to use the BMW Digital Key. As you can see, well, it was more reliable. Yeah, that's definitely working better. Still not quite as seamless as the Tesla experience, but apparently the BMW Digital Key Plus, which is unfortunately not compatible with the G20 3 Series, does work better.